Welcome to the Reputronomy podcast, where we delve into the world of online reputation management for small local businesses. I'm your host, Jeffrey, and in today's episode, we'll be delving into the world of dental practices and how we can leverage the online image to improve your online reputation. Now, as a dental practice owner, you know that your online image is crucial to the actual role in enhancing your overall image. A strong reputation, new patients, you've got to have a really good image. So why don't we go over 5 quick tips that can help you starting today. First tip, consistency. When it comes to managing your online reputation, consistency is essential. Make sure your practice's name, address, phone number, and website are all consistent across the web. Now, this includes your website, social media profiles, online directories you may appear on, as well as review sites that your business is actively on. The key is, by maintaining a uniform and accurate presence, you'll be building trust with potential patients and makes it easier for them to find you whenever they want to recommend you or revisit your practice. Tip 2, proactive review management. Can't say this enough. Online reviews hold a significant influence over people's decision-making process, particularly when it comes to dental practice being in the healthcare space. You want to actively manage your online reviews. This can make a huge difference in your overall reputation. Key thing here is you want to encourage satisfied patients to leave a positive review, and you want to promptly respond to any negative reviews you might have received. Don't forget, you cannot avoid negative reviews. Don't take it personal, just respond immediately and in the most professional way. This sends a message out to people looking that your commitment to patient satisfaction is at the top of your list. People love to see that. Tip 3, engage on social media. I know, it is stressful, but social media platforms are powerful tools for building your dental practice. In fact, creating engaging and informative content that educates your audience, especially about the oral health and success stories, as well as some tips that they can use to manage their healthy lifestyle, they love it. And I encourage you to actually share these experiences because people are looking forward to content like that. 4th tip, optimize your website for local search. You're a local business. To ensure that your dental practice is easily discoverable, optimize your website for local search. Include relevant keywords, specialties throughout your website content, meta tags, as well as your headings. You want to create a local specific landing page that makes sure that your contact information is prominently displayed. Additionally, consider implementing schema markup. It's to pretty much provide search engines with detailed information about your practice. So things like your operating hours, insurance plans, and detailed information that people are looking for make it super easy to find. Tip number 5, monitor your online reputation. Keeping a close eye on your online reputation is actually crucial. It goes hand in hand with being able to respond promptly. Now, this is also how you're able to maintain a positive image. So set up with something like Google Alerts, where you can receive notifications whenever your practice name is mentioned online. Monitor review sites, social media platforms, online forums that your business may be on. Just stay informed about what people are saying about your practice. And also, you want to respond when you see these comments coming in. Do not take it personal. It's normal. It's part of it. Now, for the bonus tip, we know this can be a daunting task. Your staff may not want to do it and you don't have time to do it. That's where we come in. We'd like to invite you to invest in an online reputation management service like ours, Reputronomy. Now, while these tips can greatly improve your online reputation, managing it can be time consuming. So that's where we come in. Help specialize in the managing, monitoring, as well as the maintenance of your online reputation, and will help handle all aspects of it just to make sure that you have the peace of mind knowing that these areas are covered. So that's all I have for today. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our site, www.reputronomy.com, or drop us an email, info@reputronomy.com. Till next time, please be safe.